Welcome to the MD Solutions Optimax Training Series, Detail View Customization. In this session, we will discuss adding, removing, moving, and resizing fields in your detail view layouts. Detail views in Optimax all have a set default view. These views are customizable based on your organization's needs. If you are not sure which fields in the detail views you need for your workflow, contact MD Solutions support for assistance. To access the detail view, double-click on any list view item. We'll use the billing detail view as an example, but note that adding fields to detail views is done the same way throughout the program. The standard billing view does not have the patient's first or last name, and you may find that information useful, especially if you're not familiar with the account number. Now, to add fields, right-click in an empty space in the detail view and select Customize Layout. The customization window will open with an already available list of fields to choose from. The fields that show in the menu are fields directly contained in the billing. The patient's name is not in the list or hidden because the patient is a child of the billing. So we will need to add that from the object model tree. To add the name to the detail layout, click Add in the customization window. This will open the object model tree. Notice that billing is the first thing in the list because we are in the billing detail object. Under billing, you will see all of the related fields. Moving down the list, we want to locate patient. We want to expand the patient to see all of the fields contained within. Here we will find the patient's formal name. We are choosing formal name because this cannot be edited. If you choose first and last name individually, you could potentially change the patient's name without realizing it. Click the checkmark box for formal name and click OK to add it to the customization window. To add the formal name to the billing detail layout, locate the item in the customization list, then click and drag and drop to the preferred location in your layout. Now, there may also be fields or even tabs in the standard detail views that you don't need or want to see. To remove fields, you can do one of the following. You can right-click on the field or tab that you're wanting to remove and select Hide this item from the menu. Or you can click and drag and drop the field or tab into the customization window and release it. Once you have your preferred fields, they can be moved around to suit your viewing preference. To move fields, click on the field and move it to the preferred area in your layout and drop it. Once you have your preferred fields, you may wish to change the size of certain fields to see more or less of the information within the field. To resize fields, drag the item's edge to the left or the right to shrink or expand the item. Once your customization is complete, make sure that you log out of Optimax to save your changes. In review of this session, you should now be able to customize your detail views to your viewing preference.